Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to delete idea pins on Pinterest. Maybe you have posted something that you no longer want to share, or maybe you want to remove an idea pin that is not performing well. So today I am going to show you how to delete idea pins on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then here, go to the created section. Here, you will see all the pins and idea pins that you have uploaded. Now, select the idea pin that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this idea pin, so I will tap on it. Once you open it, tap on these three dots at the top right corner of the idea pin. This will bring up a menu, and here, select this edit option. In this window, you will now see this delete button at the bottom left corner of the screen. You simply need to tap on it. After that, Pinterest will ask you to confirm if you really wanted to delete this pin. If yes, tap on this delete button to confirm. After that, you now have successfully deleted an idea pin on Pinterest. If you have more than one idea pin that you want to delete, repeat this process for each one. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete idea pin on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete idea pins on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.